Hey y'all, happy new year and welcome back to my channel as well as my new apartment. I am no longer in my studio. I am now in a one-bedroom apartment, so I'm going to give you guys a quick surface tour, so nothing too detailed, of my one-bedroom apartment. So boom, walking into my apartment, this is literally the view that you'll see. On the left hand side, you'll see all my sneakers, a good amount of all my sneakers. These are sneakers I just kind of grab and go when I'm going to work or to the gym. Slides, my Uggs. So these are like everyday sneakers that I just like to keep by the door. So right over here, these installed shelving spaces is not my favorite part of my apartment, but I do make good use of it. So I just kind of keep stuff that I use every single day right over here, just ready to grab and go. And I also have an outline of Cameroon. I am Camerounian, so I just love to have that in my apartment just to represent me and who I am. This apartment is really customized to just me and my liking, so it's definitely not luxurious. It's all about comfort. That's how I am. I'm real chill, so I just like to be comfortable when I'm home. So on the right hand side, you'll see a utility closet, and then this is just a regular hall closet, and I just kind of turned it into my storage space of stuff that um, it's not junk, but I just keep stuff here like my longboard, broom, Swiffer, some cleaning supplies are in there as well. So just random stuff I keep in there. And we're gonna walk right over here. This is going to be my favorite, like my favorite quote in my apartment. It keeps me grounded every single day. My bedroom door is right there, so I get to see it every day as I walk out my bedroom. And then just straight ahead is going to be my bathroom. So this is the one bedroom, one bath. Yeah, so this is my bathroom. Very regular, very plain. A lot of white and grays throughout my apartment. So, yep. So you guys are now in my bedroom. On the right hand side, I show you a little bit of my closet. I don't really bring you guys in because it's literally a walk-in closet, a nice size walk-in closet with shoes and clothes. This is a quick overview of my bedroom. I'll show you guys a few angles of my bedroom. The bedroom is really big, so I place my queen size bed right in the middle because I don't want to really have to utilize all that space. I wanted it to be as basic and simple as possible. I feel like the only thing that's really missing in my bedroom is probably a plant. We are now headed out of my bedroom. Like I said, this is my favorite quote, so I get to see this every time I leave my bedroom and just go to the bathroom. It's just really positive affirmations that I just like to be able to read and see throughout the day. It definitely keeps me going, keep a positive mindset. And now we're headed towards my kitchen. I love my kitchen because it's humongous in my opinion. I came from a studio, so my kitchen is super big and I cook a lot, so this is definitely my favorite part of, well, yeah, one of my favorite parts of the apartment because I just really do enjoy cooking. You guys will notice my stepping stool. So I have really high ceilings in my apartment. I am not short. I'm 5'6.5", but the ceilings are super high. It's really hard for me to reach a lot of the spaces in my apartment. So I love to have my stepping stool in handy, just if I need it in my closet, my kitchen, whatever. There is a lot of storage space here. This is my pantry area, so I just kind of open it so I could show you guys that these are 4 different pantries, like they're used for different things. Directly across from it I have a full-size washer and dryer. Actually doing laundry this day, so how convenient. So I definitely have an overflow of jackets in my closet, so I bought a coat rack just for that. This is my living area. It's super comforting. I absolutely love my living area. My couch is super comfortable as well as my ottoman. So I do sleep on my couch at least 4 times a week. You guys, it's outrageous. Y'all are probably like, what she got going on over here? But I do work from home 3 to 4 times a week, so I do have a little office desk area here. One of the laptops and desktops is actually a personal laptop and desktop, but the other one is actually for my job, so that's why I have all of that clutter going on over there. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my apartment tour. If you did, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until then, I'll see you guys in a later video. So I'm gonna need y'all to step out. Get up on my apartment. Bye.